Living on a farm has many benefits. It allows you to connect with nature daily and enjoy the peaceful environment. Farms provide fresh and healthy food, from fruits and vegetables to eggs and meat. The physical work on a farm keeps you active and fit. Sustainable living is another advantage, as you can grow your own food and use eco-friendly practices. Family members can work together on tasks, strengthening bonds. You may feel a sense of accomplishment seeing your efforts pay off with a good harvest. Farming communities are often close-knit, providing a supportive environment. Living on a farm also encourages self-sufficiency and can offer economic benefits from selling produce or participating in local markets. Overall, farm life can lead to a fulfilling and healthy lifestyle. Please like, follow, and subscribe to get more videos.